Hey everybody, it is Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be unboxing Medusa's makeup monthly subscription box. If you like what you see, please subscribe. I do unboxings, I do makeup reviews, first impressions, try-ons, that kind of thing. I also do book reviews, movie reviews, and I also upload short films. I'm a horror filmmaker. I upload short films. I do not just horror, so you might see other things as well. I've separated everything into different playlists so that you don't get lost into things that you're not interested in. And I upload several times a week, typically. And today we're going to be unboxing Medusa's makeup monthly subscription unboxing. Medusa's makeup is vegan and cruelty free. They have a subscription box that's a little over $16 a month. And today's, that's really cute. The inside of the box is very cute. Okay. Today's unicorns, mermaids, and goddesses. It's the June 2020 cruelty-free and vegan box. Now it has all this stuff on this side. I will put that aside for now so that we can open it up and be surprised. Now the very first thing in here, oh, this is cool. Okay, this is a Lavender Moon Sparkle Bath Soak, Epsom salt with biodegradable glitter. Biodegradable glitter is really cool because it's glitter that you can use and wash down the sink. The other glitter, you know, like glitter for your eyes and glitter for your face, hair, whatever, that's not biodegradable. The microparticles that they get into the waterways, it's bad news. So if I do use glitter with my makeup, I always try to remove it with makeup wipes. You know, wad those up, throw them away. But couldn't use that kind of stuff in the bath. So this is cool that there's biodegradable glitter. Oh, actually, it's clear on this side, so you can actually see it. That is really pretty. That's very pretty. So this is enough for one bath. I really like this, and of course Epsom salts are really good for your muscles, for aching muscles. The next thing in this bag is, ooh, okay, an eyeshadow brush, and I actually have, you know, this other fluffy brush and another highlighter brush, so I'm actually collecting a little set here, and this is a very pretty. If you can see the handle, it's got glitter inside. And now I've got a matching set, and they are very pretty. I like those. So far 2 out of 2 really good products. And oh my goodness, there's a bunch in here, wrapped, you know, protected, wrapped in bubble wrap here. Let's see what's inside. Unicorn Kiss Vegan Lip Sparkle. Now I am not a super fan of potted products. Oh, it looks like this all settled to one side. Ooh. So it's just a lip gloss here. It's just a pretty kind of lightly pink tinted gloss. So that is, that's really pretty. It has like sparkles in it and stuff. So I'm not the hugest fan of potted products because, I mean, lip products, because you have to like put, I mean, you can use a brush, but then your brush gets all goopy and stuff. So, but I do have lip brushes, so I shouldn't complain. And maybe that's just what I will do from now on, is I will use my lip brushes for that. The next thing is Mystical Eye Dust. Now I really like their eye dusts. I don't use them as much as I should because I don't go for single shadows as much as I do palettes because spoiled. But I definitely should be. I mean, I do use them. I'm not saying I don't. I just should use them more. Okay, so this is Mystical Eye Dust in Medusa. And it is, I'm going to read about it here. It is a mineral pigment that's a deep midnight black blue, and it actually retails for $11.95. That's very cool. So it has a lot of sparkle to it. So this is a cool one that I don't have by them, and it looks a little different than anything else that I do have. So that's very cool. And the very last thing in here is actually from, it says Emily Alexandra, and it's water resistant matte lipstick with sunscreen. That's cool. This is how the box looks. It's really nice. And, oh, that is really, really pretty. It's got a little mermaid in front. I hope it's not too glary. It's got a little mermaid on the front there, and it is called Seashell, and it says Emily Alexandra Cosmetics there. And it is a nude with little mermaid scales. Let's see. Let's turn it back down so we don't break anything. But let's see what color this is. So that is a matte peachy nude. So for me, because it's so peachy, it kind of doesn't blend with my skin, which I have yellow tones in my skin. But I betcha anything, I could blend this with a gloss and make that work out and make that really pretty. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna have to do a couple trial and error tests and see exactly what colors that works with, but I will try that. Okay, that is everything in today's Medusa's box. Everything for today's video. Do you get Medusa's makeup subscription? Do you buy other stuff for Medusa's makeup? I like it because it's vegan, cruelty free. I also feel like they are increasing the amount of like skincare and like other brands that they work with, and cool things like the bath salts and things like that. I really like the new products they're coming out with, and so I've been really happy with this subscription box so far. Let me know what you think about it, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.